ट्रेनिङ गरिरहेको थिएँ ह्याम्पसायर पुलिससँग अनि 3 महिना गरेँ 3 महिनापछि म निस्केँ त्यहाँबाट बिकज इन्भाइरोमेन्ट राम्रो थिएन पुलिसको अनि पुलिसबाट निस्केर स्पोर्ट्स कोच बनेँ म किनभने मलाई सानोदेखि फुटबल र बास्केटबल मन परेको थियो अनि युनिमा पनि अफरहरू आएको थियो स्कलरसिपको बास्केटबलको लागि तर एकदम टाढा भएर लिन सकेन सो मेरो डिग्रीहरू हेर्दा यु थिङ्क आई बी लाइक अ पुलिस ओर डिटेक्टिभ आर्मीमा पनि ट्राई गरेको अफिसर बन्नु तर मेडिकल रिजन्स चाहिँ भएन हजुर अनि मैले स्पोर्ट्स कोच गरेपछि स्पोर्ट्स कोचमा चाहिँ पैसा त्यति राम्रो छैन अनि पैसा नराम्रो भएर मैले अब छोडेँ त्यो पनि तर छोडेपछि मलाई स्पोर्ट्स मात्रै गर्नु मन थियो अनि अलिकति साइडमा पनि हेर्नु पऱ्यो नि त पैसा कहाँबाट पाउँछ राम्रो सर्भिसहरू कसरी दिने भनेर अनि त्यहाँबाट यता आन्टी हुनुहुन्थ्यो अनि मलाई हेल्प गर्नु आउनुहोस् न भन्नु क्लिनिङको बारेमा अनि म बेजिङ स्टकमा गरेँ क्लिनिङको लागि 2-3 महिना गरेँ अनि त्यो आन्टीले कसरी गर्नुहुन्छ हेरेँ आन्टी चाहिँ सेल्फ इम्प्लोइड हो सो सी डजन्ट ह्याभ अ बिग बिजनेस इट्स जस्ट हर डुइङ एभ्रिथिङ हरसेल्फ and then I looked at it and I thought to myself I could do this bigger and better. I have people around me who knows a lot of things you're going to do. So that's mainly what I did with my cleaning company. So just, you know, seeing where I went wrong, how do I do better? And from that, you just keep on growing. So I don't think in that case failure is necessarily a bad thing. You have to fail. Just in life, like, you know, when your heart, we're all alive because our heart rate is going up and down, up and down. But when it keeps on going down, 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 and it doesn't go up, that means you failed already. And if it goes too high, that means you're getting too popular or too much around. So you don't know how to calm yourself down and it goes straight down. So you don't know what to do to bring yourself back up again. So that's what I learned. So I think stability for me is having highs and having lows, and not just, you know, having a stable income all the time. You gotta, if you're young, you gotta sacrifice a little bit now. I think starting your business when you're young is the best thing, because you have the support and you got some, financially you're not the best, but you got the support of your parents. And you can realize what went down and what went up, and implement that. And you learn more and more as you grow. So that's my cleaning side of things. And with my sports business, it's called Women Ballers Club, established this year, and we've done a basketball tournament for ladies. अहिले हजुरहरूले हेर्नुभयो भने यति धेरै बास्केटबल फुटबल टुर्नामेन्टहरू छ तर केटीहरूको लागि केही छैन मैले 2022मा गोर्खा कपको अर्गनाइजर्सहरूलाई फोन गरेर सोधेको थिएँ अङ्कल हामी केटीहरूलाई पनि हाल्नुहोस् न भनेर भनेको थिएँ अङ्कलहरूको जवाब चाहिँ केटीहरूले पनि खेल्छ र फुटबल भन्नुभयो अनि त्यही कारणले हुन्छ उनीहरू पनि हाल्दैन भन्नुभयो अनि अर्को दिन चाहिँ यालम्बर कप चाहिँ अब लिम्बू राईहरूको कप छ उनीहरू चाहिँ केटीहरूको पार्टिसिपेसन कति एकदम लामो गरेछ for 10 years plus but they're not very well known. So what I did was म पनि यालम्बर कपमा खेल्दै बस्छु every year अनि हामी जित्यौँ त त्यो दिन नजितेर मैले फेसबुकमा हालेपछि अब देख्यो होला नि त अङ्कलहरूले अर्को दिन मलाई फोन गर्नुभयो अनि एकदम टोन नै चेन्ज भयो कि अङ्कलहरूको सर्भिस जब्सहरू where there needs manpower such as cleaning one day, so like oven cleaning, window cleaning, my car detailing पनि गर्छु so car detailing कसलाई थाहा छ के हो त्यो भनेको थाहा छैन car detailing is like car wash जस्तै हो car wash but deep clean अब अङ्कलहरूलाई त अब whiskey खान मन लाग्छ होला नि हजुरहरूलाई whiskeyमा पनि अब हजुरको सस्तो whiskey पाउँछ अब मेरो बाजेले भनेको जस्तै चराहरू त्यो चरा whiskey भन्छ नि चरा whiskey त अब सबै it's very affordable just like the car wash you go to you get £5, £10 car wash but you don't get the quality of that because they will scratch your normal car washes they scratch your car because they're using the same brush and you don't know the quality of those brush and the technique is not the same अनि हजुरको त्यो मसिन्स पनि हुन्छ नि त त्यो मसिन्स कति धेरै गाडीहरू गर्छ होला भित्र त्यो मसिन्स इट्स नेभर चेन्ज इट्स नट सर्भिस प्रपरली So therefore, it's like, you know, it's very fast-paced, quick money for them, but it's damaging your car. Whereas with car detailing, once we use, car detailing is like the blue label, Johnny Walker blue label on the car detailing. It's like an expensive service, but you get the quality. So it's a very niche thing in the market right now. It's growing in popularities, but micro niche because if you find a client who appreciates your niche,